Today I got in the Ameta S20 Lite beginner drone. It's got a 4K camera, brushless motor, extended flight life. It's got 2 batteries, go up to 36 minutes of continuous flight and fun. Age 14 plus. It's a great beginner drone, easy to use, FPV transmission up to 200 meters. Altitude hold, adjustable camera. So let's do a little unboxing here. See how it looks inside. First of all, you can see a nice case. What do we have? Well, first of all, charging cable, USB, instruction manual, warranty, user manual, extra propellers, with the screwdriver, and packaged nicely. I got the drone itself in a sealed bag. It's got some weight to it, sturdy construction. It is 249 grams, a little lower, so that's good to know. Let's open it up here. 4K camera, SD card slot, at a bottom camera, in the front, and it's adjustable. Power button. It's a nice looking drone. Then we have the controller. Okay, the buttons on the controller. Got the stop button, elevation up down, power button, your speed, depending have 1 or 2, how fast you want it to operate. You got the rotate button and flip, and of course your joysticks, and an extendable to fit different sizes of smartphones. So yeah, it's got a nice little beginner drone. Spot for the battery for the controller itself. Just take out the screw to get out the batteries for the controller, battery compartment. Open her up, and it takes 3 AAA batteries. And the batteries themselves for the drone, to pop them out. 2 batteries. So I'll get them charged up, and when I get a chance here, I'll do another video on the actual operation, showing it flying, showing how we get the app and get everything hooked up. This is the unboxing. Stay tuned for part 2, the Ameta S20 Lite beginner drone.